Izinyunyana zezisebenzi zikahulumeni zifunga ziyagomela zithi zizobhikisana nesabelo mali sika-2023 no-2024 esingenza amalungiselelo okufunwa yizisebenzi ngemiholo. Izisebenzi zizobamba umbhikisho eKapa nasePitoli ngosuku lokwethula kwesabelo mali nalapho iyonika khona umqashi izinsuku eziyikhombisa zesaziso songenelela ukukhulela ngoqo wesiteleka.
The minister must at least give more money in the police so that we don't have the situation that we are seeing now. It is in our interest to make sure that members of the police are being taken care of.
The Minister of Finance must stop cutting the budget of health. And we are saying what will please us is if we have a capable public service delivered to the public and in particular rural areas where you have a difficulty.
Ikhosathu ithi kufanele kwethulwe isabelo mali esizolungisa ubudlelwano obunezinkinga phakathi kahulumeni nezisebenzi.
And we're saying fix the state, fix corruption in this country, deal with it decisively, and you will have enough to be able to pay those that wake up in the morning to come and give service to the people of this country.
Usomnotho uthi uhulumeni kuzofanele ahlangabezane nezidingo zezisebenzi ukuze aqinisekise ukwenziwa komsebenzi ngendlela efanele.
If civil servants are unhappy with a wage increase, which is about half of headline inflation, it means that that's going to knock onto productivity. Unlike other work streams, government can't exactly fire a huge sector of an unhappy civil service, because that means that the already strained public service will be rendered completely ineffectual.